Hi everyone. So in the last video on the 1956 Buick Century, I found that the engine was bad. It can be saved or rebuilt, but that's beyond the scope of what I want to do with this project. So in today's video, I'm going to remove the front end of this car in preparation for the engine removal. Alright, let's get started. With the hood off, you can see the engine bay quite a bit better. We have a lot more room to play with. Up next, I'm going to pull the front off. I'm going to start with the bumper and then probably try to get the radiator support off it next. Now that we have the bumper off, you can see the 4 mounting bolts. It's going to be 2 here and 2 here. You'll need to take those off in order to get that structure off. Now we can focus on the grille. There are several fasteners that we've already hit with PB Blast. There's going to be fasteners all along the top here, as well as 2 on the inside, 1 down here, and several fasteners down along the bottom. It may be a little difficult to see, but we have fasteners here and here in the far corner. I'm now going to take this part off here. We have 2 to 3 bolts on this side, 2 to 3 bolts on this side, 2 up here, and then I believe it should come right off. I'm now going to take this bottom piece off. There are 4 bolts on each side. The bolt goes through the top, and then there's a nut on the inside underneath. I'm going to attempt to remove the AC condenser on its own. I am at least going to disconnect the lines so we have a little more wiggle room. Alright, I'm now going to start taking the radiator out. I'm going to disconnect the hoses on the bottom here. Those quick connects are not factory, so I'm just going to cut them. Not even going to bother trying to get those off, they're just going to round out. And then I'm going to take the 2 bolts on each side here off, and I should be able to just lift it up. Now that the radiator's out, we just have a couple things left, and then we should have the whole front end off. I'm going to start by taking this piece off. I'm now going to have to go from the inside of the fender well to try to get these loosened up. I'm going to try to take this horseshoe piece out so I have a little bit more space for the engine. Here we are inside the wheel well. I see two bolts, one here and one here. Alright, well that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. In the next video I'm going to pull the transmission and engine out. Now that we have a little bit more space, I'm hoping that'll be easy to do. In the meantime, take it easy, and I'll catch you in the next one.